Hi, it's Orit Esther Riter once again with today's daily dose of Emuna. Forgiving and letting go. That's a tough one. And the month of Elul is really the month where the energy of rachamim and compassion is most found. All the changes that we want to go through for the entire year is so much easier. One step this month is so much easier to take. It's like 10 steps throughout the entire year. So this is the month that when you feel like there's something that just needs to move forward in your life, there's someone you need to forgive and let go and move forward with because you understand that it is keeping you stuck in your own way, in your own personal life, this is the month to do it. This is the month where every moment there's an illumination of the 13 character attributes, so to speak, of our Creator. This is a month that's flooded with so much divine inspiration and help and assistance in the department of compassion and forgiving and moving forward. And most of all, the energy of renewal is embedded in every single moment. What you want to try to renew, what you want to try to let go of and move forward from throughout the year, try again this month. This month you've got Siyata Dishmaya. We've all got the help of Hashem in the fields, helping us, guiding us, speaking to us, whispering to us, and aiding us in that most important place. Why is it so important? Why is it so important to forgive and let go? So when we forgive and we let go, we're basically saying to ourselves, this is no longer, this anger, this frustration, this disappointment, this dissatisfaction is no longer serving me. In fact, it's keeping me stuck behind. It's not enabling me to be able to move forward in my life. And that is something that every single one of us wants to feel like we have the empowerment. We have the ability to move forward. So when I need to forgive and let go of something that I have done, I need to go inside myself. I have to get off of the self-righteous stance of feeling self-perfection and recognize that I belong to the human race. The human race is the human condition of us in this world, is that we make mistakes. And we have to stop thinking that we are so afraid to recognize the wrong that we have done and the pain that unfortunately we have caused to others. So forgiving and letting go first to myself, to realize that I have done wrong and I need to just recognize that and admit my wrongdoings, admit my mistakes, and be free to be able to move on to the greater heights that awaits me. What about wrong that has been caused by others to me? Forgiving and letting go is also part of that self-healing program that's so important for us to go through that process in these days of Elul and the 10 days. So what are we supposed to do? Well, thank you, Hashem. We have Torah guidance. We have the sages. We have the judgment that Torah instructs us to go by. We have who to consult, and we have who to recognize as being the figures of teaching us what we're supposed to do, and let them be the guiding pole. Let the compassion, the love, the suggestions, the advice that our sages bring down in the Torah to aid us to be able to get us to be able to forgive those that we feel have wronged us and enable ourselves to experience that level of being able to let go of the hurt that was also caused for us. In order to be able to truly love someone, love ourselves, then it has to be paralleled to the ability to say and to accept from the other the words, I'm sorry. It goes hand in hand. It's part of the journey of experiencing that whole experience called love. So I'm wishing us all to be able to really envelop in the compassion of this month or the days leading us to Yom Kippur, and God willing to be able to truly stand strong in the face of saying sorry and accepting sorry and being able to forgive ourselves, and also, of course, being able to forgive others and to reach a higher level of openness, connectedness, and healing. Forgiving and letting go, a very important avoda, very important part of our self-healing journey. Wishing everybody an Emuna-filled day.